back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and I need to tell y'all about this wig. Okay, today is October 1st. I'm not sure when y'all will be seeing this video, but it's October 1st, and I wanted some color. I wanted something convenient. I wanted something that I could just throw on. I didn't have to worry about bleaching myself. Look here. Look here. It's giving ginger bay blonde. Like, I know y'all see the hues of blonde. You see the hues of ginger. It's giving fall with a hint of sunshine. And would you believe me if I told y'all this wig is on Amazon? Like, this is Unice Amazon store. Unice Amazon store. Let me just get into the details and the specs of this hair. Before we get started, if you're new here, go ahead and click the link down below to subscribe to my channel and come take off with me. Come on and join the fam. We're gonna be taking off together. We're doing our hair ourselves. We're finding easy ways, convenient ways, quick ways, trendy styles. I'm gonna show you what you can do to elevate this wig so you can take it off. Literally take it off and put it back on whenever you want, because she's glueless. Adjust it back on my head. Do I want more forehead today? Let's move it back. As simple as that. And I'm ready to go. Take it on at night. Take it on at night. What? Take it off at night. Put it back on in the morning. If you want it to be more secured, use the combs. Just like that. It's secured. It's not going nowhere. I kind of want it like a dramatic slow-mo, but and she's still intact, y'all, and it's even more pretty with the hair flip. Oh, but yeah, stay tuned and let's see how. So this was my first time actually getting a look at the hair once I was unboxing it, and y'all, it really does come ready. Like, you see it's lightly plucked, you see it's pre-bleached. Look at these highlights. It's very beautiful. This is their 7x5 lace front wig, and not only that, this is their new construction. Have y'all heard of the bye-bye knots? Y'all, look closely. Do y'all see the knots? You can literally see through this lace. They let the knots go bye-bye. One thing that I wanted to remind y'all, just because it's a glueless wig, you can always wear this wig melted, freeze, sprayed, even sprayed. Got to be glued. Whatever you do that for you. But this is glueless. I used the combs to help make sure it's secured, but now it's time to get this lace together. If your wig is coming like this, y'all, just use your foundation shade to blend that lace on in. I used to use lace tint, but I am running out. I'm not gonna lie. I need to go to the beauty supply store, and I'm actually using some eyeshadow in my shade to help lay this wig. I will be going in with my wax stick and a hot comb. Make sure you're using the hot comb, especially if you want that flat look. I know y'all see that. This was probably a few passes with this hot comb, but that wax stick really did help, and it smells amazing. I'm gonna let y'all vibe out and watch these next few clips of me styling this hair. Very simple, but this is showing y'all exactly what I did to get it to look how it looked, and I'll come back to you guys at the end with the final results. One hack that I learned, that if I do not want baby hairs, I like to hot comb some of the pieces near the edge of the closure part. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I like to hot comb that down so if the wind blows, there's no line of demarcation where the closure stops and the track starts. Because this is body wave, I'm going to go in and add a few curls with my wand curler in the front and on the side just to kind of complete this look. Y'all, this is the most beginner friendly, simplest way to style this wig without having to wand curl this whole head. Now, don't get me wrong. It'll be very cute wand curled all over, but this is a quick way to do it. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. But I only added maybe 5 to 6 wand curls on each side. It really did help add to the look. And as you guys can see, it really can be that simple. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below. Shout out to Eunice in this new construction. Y'all, it really does give bye-bye. Those knots really did go bye-bye. So I just want to make sure I told y'all that because, I mean, y'all see. And then it's a colored wig and it's still giving bye-bye. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. And until then, bye y'all.